Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and today we will talk about diseases of external auditory canal in our ENT topic. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about congenital disorders and trauma of external auditory canal. We will specifically talk about external auditory canal. So, congenital disorders and trauma of external auditory canal, in which we will talk about different types of disorders of external auditory canal. We will talk about atresia of external canal and collaural fistula, and also we will talk about trauma to the ear canal. In the second section, we will talk about different types of inflammations that can affect the external ear or external auditory canal. And in this, we will talk about infective group, reactive group, and furuncle and diffuse otitis externa. Then in the third group, we will talk specifically about reactive group, in which we will talk about otitis externa, hemorrhagica, and herpes zoster oticus. Then we will talk about malignant otitis externa and eczematous otitis externa. Also seborrheic otitis externa, neurodermatitis, and primary cholesteatoma. In the fourth section, we will talk about the tumors that affect the external auditory canal, which include osteomas and exostosis, cerumenoma, sebaceous adenoma, and papilloma, and also some malignant tumors. In the fifth and final section, we will talk about these miscellaneous conditions like impacted wax or cerumen, foreign bodies of ear, and also we will talk about acquired atresia and stenosis of meatus. So all this will be covered in today's lecture of diseases of external auditory canal. So to learn more about this topic, keep watching sqadia.com.